In this question, you have to choose the option which does not represent an objective of biofortification in crops. Option A, improve micronutrient and mineral content. Now, this is a key objective of biofortification. Crops are biofortified to increase essential micronutrients like iron, zinc, and other minerals to combat the malnutrition. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, improve protein content. Now, increasing the protein content in crops is also an objective of biofortification to improve the nutritional one quality, especially in regions with protein deficiencies. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, improve resistance to diseases. Now, while improving disease resistance in crops is an important agricultural goal, but it is not the primary objective of biofortification. Rather, biofortification focuses on enhancing the nutritional values of crops, particularly by increasing the contents of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, improve vitamin content. It is also an important goal of biofortification, that is to increase the content of vitamin A, vitamin C, etc., so that we can reduce the vitamin deficiencies in such population. Hence, it is incorrect answer.